How to get the Rod of Discord in Terraria. So head to the underground hollow to a post-Plantera area filled with chaos elementals. So these enemies only rarely drop the Rod of Discord when killed, so realistically you'll need to farm them repeatedly over a decent amount of time. So basically keep moving constantly while you fight. So chaos elementals specifically only spawns while you're actively walking around the biome. And to speed things up, you could use a water candle right here. So what it does is it attracts enemies, so you'll have a better spawn rate. Just basically place it on a platform just like that, and also drink a battle potion to increase enemy spawns. So right here, so we have the chaos elementals right here. We have one right there and another one right here. So just basically kill them to have a chance to drop the Rod of Discord. Stay patient and farm consistently. Eventually that rare drop will show up in your loot. And once you have the Rod of Discord, you can now use it, and it teleports you to the position of your mouse, just like that. And that is how I basically get the Rod of Discord in Terraria.